Hello and welcome. Today I want to go over the MFAK kit, the ROO M-FAK Kit from North American Rescue. This kit they sell a basic option for about $79.99 on their website. What's included is the bag you see in front of you. That's the 500 denier nylon bag, and it also carries inside of it one cat tourniquet, generation 7 in black, one 4-inch flat ETD, one S rolled gauze 4.5 inch by 4.1 yards, one hyphen vent compact chest seal, twin pack, one pair of Bear Claw nitrile trauma gloves in large. Dimensions of the pack are 7 inches by 3.75 inches by 4 inches, and the weight is about 13 ounces. So we have the front of the bag here, and we have the side, and we have the rear, we have the bottom, and then we have the top here. And to access the cat tourniquet, you can pull back the front tab here, and you get your cat tourniquet here. And you can seal that back up, or replace it, refill it, whatever, after you use it, in the front pouch here. Easily accessible in one hand. I like that a lot. It comes with a PVC patch that goes in the front here, medical cross patch. The zippers are inverted, as you can see. And they come with paracord pulls to access the bag. Pull down the zippers and it opens in a clamshell formation. This bag is made in Taiwan. I got an extra blanket with my kit because I ordered it for another $1 and I put it inside. We have the gloves here, the hyphen chest seal, twin pack here underneath these elastic holders, and then we have the ETD in here, the 4-inch flat one, and we have the S rolled gauze here underneath everything else. So it's a basic kit, simple. I wanted something simple and basic for my setup, which is either a chest setup or a belt setup. So I have a bunch of other medical kits for different environments and options. This one was the most basic one that I wanted. It has the tourniquet that I want and the ETD inside and S rolled gauze basically, and the chest seal. I like the fact that it has the straps on the back from the PALS webbing and the clips. I also like the fact that I can access my tourniquet without having to open up the whole entire kit or having to pull on both zippers. This is kind of a time saver to pull this latch up and to pull out the tourniquet right away. So I just wanted to show you guys what the ROO M-FAK Kit from North American Rescue looks like. This is in coyote tan. They sell it in green and multicam and black, I think. So check it out. If this fits your needs, it might be something worth looking into. Thanks for watching.